Foldable phones are innovative devices that offer both phone and tablet experience with their foldable screens. Factors such as folding type, hinge quality, screen durability, software optimization, camera performance, and battery life should be taken into consideration when selecting. Generally, a 200,000+ fold warranty should be sought. Although they are more expensive and delicate than traditional phones, they stand out for their multitasking capabilities, portability, and attractive design. In this video, I have reviewed the 5 best foldable phones for you. Let's get started. Number 5. Motorola Razr Ultra 2025 stands out as the model with the most unique material options among foldable phones. There are versions made from unusual but premium materials such as wood, Alcantara, the fabric used in luxury cars, and faux suede. The overall structure of the phone is robust and of high quality, while the new hinge design promises improved durability with IP48 water dust protection. The main screen is 7.0 inches in size and made with POLED technology. This size is ideal for a full tablet experience, while the external screen, which is used when the phone is turned off, is designed to be large enough for daily tasks. The screen has a brightness of 3000 nits and offers a pleasant experience even when used indoors. Equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and 16 GB of RAM, the phone has excellent multitasking performance and can run even the heaviest applications smoothly. 512 GB of internal storage is more than enough for most users and contributes to system fluency thanks to fast read-write speeds. Especially in media editing, gaming, and intensive multitasking scenarios, this powerful hardware combination shines. With a 50-megapixel main camera, it represents a significant leap forward compared to previous generations of flip phones. The most striking feature of the camera system is the improvement in low-light performance, with 4 times more light sensitivity and 25% larger pixel sizes, resulting in dramatic improvement in night shots. The AI-powered signature style feature personalizes users' photography experience by automatically optimizing for different scenes such as food, landscapes, and portraits. The 4,700 mAh battery capacity is quite generous in the flip phone segment, especially when combined with the energy efficiency of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. The phone offers up to 36 hours of usage time. It's also very impressive in terms of charging technology. It offers the fastest charging speed in the flip phone segment with 68-watt turbo power wired charging. There's also support for 30-watt wireless charging and 5-watt reverse wireless charging, giving users a wide range of charging options. It comes with Android 15 and guarantees 3 major Android updates and 4 years of security updates. While this is shorter than the support period offered by competitors like Samsung, it's enough for most users. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 is the compact representative of the company's 2025 foldable phone series. The phone is one of the thinnest flip phones on the market, with a close thickness of only 6.5 millimeters. With a weight of 188 grams, it promises comfort in daily use. With IP48 certification, dust and liquid protection has been improved. One of the most striking features is the edge-to-edge FlexWindow design. This new external screen offers a much more usable experience than previous models and allows you to perform many operations without opening the phone. The main display is equipped with a 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X panel. The display supports a variable refresh rate of up to 120 Hz and has a brightness of 2,600 nits, ensuring good visibility even in outdoor use. The phone comes with Samsung's in-house Exynos 2500 processor, which is built with 3-nanometer manufacturing technology and offers powerful AI capabilities. The phone is equipped with 12 GB of RAM, which is enough to run multitasking and heavy apps smoothly. Storage options are 256 GB and 512 GB with no microSD card support. The battery capacity has been increased to 4,300 mAh, a significant increase compared to the previous model. It is equipped with a 50-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera, and a 10-megapixel selfie camera. Improvements have been made, especially in low-light performance and AI-assisted photo processing. Video capture capabilities are also flagship level, with 4K recording and advanced stabilization. The phone supports all of Samsung's Galaxy AI technologies. From intuitive voice AI to the best selfie capabilities, the phone provides intelligent assistance in everyday use. The flip form factor makes it possible to use AI features more effectively. For example, automatic photo capture when the phone is half open or video conferencing optimization. It comes with Android 16 operating system and One UI 8 interface. Samsung's special optimizations for flip phones maximize the dual screen experience. The phone guarantees 7 major Android updates, which is very advantageous in terms of long-term use. 5G support meets modern connectivity needs. Current connectivity technologies such as Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC are available. Number 3. OnePlus Open. The phone is only 11.7 millimeters thick in the closed state and tapers down to 5.8 millimeters in the open state. The overall structure of the phone is extremely robust and made of premium material. The hinge mechanism in particular works perfectly in terms of durability and smoothness. The outer screen measures 6.3 inches and allows you to perform most tasks in everyday use without having to open the phone. The inner display measures 7.8 inches and offers a virtually fold-free experience. Both displays are 2K Fluid AMOLED Pro XDR panels with a 120 Hz refresh rate and Dolby Vision support for improved color accuracy and brightness. The brightness of the displays is optimized for HDR content with excellent visibility even in outdoor use. Both displays are equipped with a Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which delivers the high performance required for foldable phone use. Combined with 16 gigabytes of RAM, multitasking performance is excellent. There's no slowdown when running multiple apps at the same time. 512 gigabytes of internal storage comes as standard, which is more than enough for most users. It features a triple rear camera setup, 48 megapixel main camera, 48 megapixel ultra wide-angle camera, and 64 megapixel telephoto camera. The main camera uses Sony's Lydia pixel stack sensor and boasts impressive low-light performance with a large 1.4 3-inch sensor size. The 3x optical zoom and 6x lossless cropping meet a wide range of photography needs. On the front, there's a 20 megapixel external camera and a 32 megapixel internal camera. The camera software is optimized with Hasselblad's color science. With a 4,805 milliamp hour battery capacity, daily use is not a concern. Battery life is good for a full day, even with heavy use, which is impressive considering the dual display system. It comes with Oxygen OS 13.2, which is optimized for foldable phone use. The Open Canvas system makes multi-application use extremely efficient. 5G connectivity meets modern communication needs. Current connectivity technologies such as Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.3, and NFC are available. Number 2. Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold. Weighing 257 grams and 5.1 millimeters thick in the closed position, it has a compact design. The 6.3-inch external display is bright and clear enough for everyday use. The 8-inch internal display provides a top-quality tablet-like experience. The heart of the device is Google's latest Tensor G4 chip. It's backed by 16 gigabytes of RAM, and storage options are 256 gigabytes and 512 gigabytes, but there's no micro SD card support. The main camera is 48 megapixels with a 10.5 megapixel ultra-wide angle lens and a 10.8 megapixel telephoto lens with 5 times optical zoom. The front camera has a resolution of 10 megapixels and is the same in both off and on position. It comes with the Android 14 operating system and integrates Google's Gemini artificial intelligence assistant. Advanced AI features are especially evident in photo processing and multitasking. Multi-window support and app transitions optimized for the foldable display are quite successful. In addition, the new hinge structure almost completely eliminates the feeling of folding the screen. The phone, which comes out of the box with Android 15, is among the models that Google promises to update for 7 years. With its 4,650 milliamp hour capacity battery, it offers a battery performance that can easily handle daily use. With 30-watt wired fast charging support, it can reach 50% in about 55 minutes, and there is also 23-watt wireless charging and reverse wireless charging support. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. Samsung's foldable phone is the most mature version of its design philosophy. The device features a high refresh rate dynamic AMOLED 2x displays measuring 6.5 inches when closed and 8 inches when unfolded, with an updated hinge system and more durable construction. The Snapdragon 8 Elite processor delivers a 38% increase in CPU performance over the previous generation, with a powerful GPU and AI units for gaming, multitasking, and productivity. For photography enthusiasts, there's a 200 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra-wide, and 10 megapixel telephoto lenses, plus 10 megapixel front-facing cameras for indoor and outdoor displays. Samsung's ProVisual engine supports high-quality display technologies such as HDR10+, Vision Booster, and 2600 nits brightness, making it easy to watch content and edit images. Z Fold 7 also features a subtle fold crease, an Armor Flex hinge system to reduce reflection, and a significant investment in physical durability. 400 milliamp hour battery provides all-day use with 25 watts wired, 15 watts wireless, and 4.5 watts reverse charging support, but may be a bit behind the competition. It comes out of the box with the Android 16-based One UI 8 interface. The multi-window feature that Samsung has optimized specifically for the foldable phone experience is quite advanced. It has an IP48 rating, meaning it has significant water resistance but not much dust resistance. It comes with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM, but that's only offered on the top model, the 1 terabyte. If you choose 256 gigabytes or 512 gigabytes of storage, you still get 12 gigabytes of RAM. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video. See you in the next video.